Hey folks, Mike Rowe here, and let me tell you, I've seen a lot of long-lasting things in my time. Tough tools, sturdy boots, you name it. These items have stood the test of time, proving their durability and resilience. But let me tell you, there's something even more remarkable that has truly defied the odds. But nothing quite compares to the Centennial Light, a light bulb in Livermore, California that has been burning strong for over a century. Imagine that, a single light bulb that has outlasted generations, shining through the ages. Yeah, you heard that right, over 100 years. It's witnessed the rise and fall of empires, the birth of new technologies, and countless historical events. This light bulb is a silent observer of history. This ain't no ordinary bulb, folks. It's a technological marvel from a bygone era, a testament to the craftsmanship and ingenuity of the early 20th century. It hangs in Fire Station number 6, and it's been shining bright since 1901. That's right, it's been illuminating the station for over 100 years, providing light to countless firefighters over the decades. That's older than sliced bread, older than the Panama Canal, even older than my grandpappy. And he lived to be 102. This light bulb is a living piece of history, a beacon that has stood the test of time, reminding us of the incredible advancements and enduring legacies of the past. Now you might be wondering, how in the heck has this bulb stayed lit for so long? It's a question that has puzzled many and sparked curiosity over the years. Well, the story goes back to 1899 when a guy named Adolphe Chaillet claimed to have created the world's longest-lasting light bulb. Chaillet was an inventor with a vision, determined to make a bulb that would outlast all others. Seems a fire chief named Dennis Scannell bought one of these bulbs and had it installed in the firehouse. He probably didn't realize at the time that this bulb would become a legend in its own right. And guess what? The darn thing just wouldn't quit. It kept glowing year after year, defying the odds and expectations. It's been burning almost continuously ever since, with only a few brief interruptions due to power outages. Each time the power came back, the bulb reignited as if it had a life of its own. Now that's what I call a testament to craftsmanship. The dedication and skill of those early craftsmen have left us with a piece of history that continues to shine brightly, reminding us of the ingenuity and perseverance of the past. So what's the secret to this bulb's longevity? Well, it's a combination of factors. First off, it's a carbon filament bulb, unlike the tungsten filaments we use today. These carbon filaments were thicker and more durable. Second, the bulb burns at a very low wattage, only about 4 watts. This lower power output means less stress on the filament, allowing it to last much longer. It's like running a marathon at a slow and steady pace. You're in it for the long haul. Now, this little light bulb has become a bit of a celebrity over the years. People come from all over to marvel at its enduring glow. And you know what? I get it. There's something truly inspiring about something that just keeps going, year after year, decade after decade. In a world where things are built to break, where we're constantly bombarded with new models and upgrades, the Centennial Light stands as a beacon of hope, a testament to the power of durability and simplicity. But this little bulb isn't just a feel-good story. It sparked a lot of debate about the longevity of products. Now, I'm not saying everything is built to fail, but the Centennial Light certainly makes you wonder, doesn't it? It makes you think about the things we value, about the true cost of our throwaway culture. You see, the Centennial Light is more than just a bulb. It's a beacon of resilience and a testament to human ingenuity. It's a symbol of a time when things were built to last, when craftsmanship and quality were prized above all else. The Centennial Light stands as a defiant relic of a bygone age. It's a reminder that sometimes the simplest solutions are the best. In a world increasingly driven by complexity and rapid technological advancements, the enduring glow of this bulb teaches us the value of simplicity and durability. So the next time you flip on a light switch, take a moment to appreciate the marvel of electricity, the ingenuity of invention. Think about the countless hours of experimentation and the brilliant minds that brought this convenience into our daily lives. And maybe, just maybe, spare a thought for that little bulb in Livermore, California, still burning bright after all these years. It's not just a piece of history. It's a living, glowing example of what can be achieved when we prioritize quality and endurance. It's a reminder that some things, the best things, are built to stand the test of time. In a fast-paced world, the Centennial Light encourages us to pause and reflect on the enduring power of well-made objects and the timeless lessons they impart.